What's up, guys? This is Tampa Tech, and this is the Avengers Infinity Quest Premium Pinball Machine by Stern. We're going to show you all the cool tech mods that we installed. Let's go ahead and get started. Starting off on the bottom, we have this cup holder. It mounts to the leg bolts right here. Really easy to install and highly recommended. You can even take it off and you can put it on the side or in the front, which is really convenient. Now over here, we have the Infinity Shooting Rod by Stern, and this shines a couple of lights right here, LED lights, which changes the color of this Infinity Stone. Now it's not necessarily any Infinity Stone because this is clear, so the lights change color depending on the mode that you're in. So if you're fighting for say Power Gem, it'll turn red. So different mode sequences, it'll change color, which is really cool. Oh, it's red.
Oh, look down here. Changes on what gem quest I'm hovering over.
So it's interactive. We have a pin sound headphone station. You can adjust the volume on the cabinet, or you can plug in headphones and adjust the volume on your headphones. Very cool. So if you want to adjust the volume on the cabinet, you have to go in the settings and activate that mode. Super easy to install. Run the headphone station cable underneath the pinball cabinet. There's a hole. Run it up to the back box. Plug it into the Stern game board. And then if you want to connect a subwoofer, you can connect a Y adapter that has a subwoofer connection and stereo line out connection. Plug that underneath the headphone station plug. Oh, and I got the pinball machine from Little Shop of Games. So if you guys are interested where to buy a pinball machine, they have really good prices. Check out Little Shop of Games. They sell used and new pinball machines, and they also do rentals. We got this magnet that goes around the button. Pretty simple. Got this on pin side. This, I forgot to mention, we got from Little Shop of Games, and the cup holder, Little Shop of Games. So they sell mods and they sell pinball machines as well. We have this center post genie from Pin Life. And my son really wanted that. Now, I kind of didn't want it at first, but after installing it, it's a lot of fun. And it does protect the plastics right here. So it mounts right up here. And then you can see it wraps all the way around. So it does protect this blue plastic, which is really good. And then on top of that, there's a center post. So if you shoot the ball straight up the ramp here and it gets rejected and comes straight down, it's not going to go straight down the middle and drain. It's going to bounce off of that center post. And then if you nudge the machine just a little bit, it'll either hit that flipper or that flipper. So it gives a little bit more gameplay. And I was shopping on pinside.com marketplace and found these 3D printed flipper tops or flipper covers. Decided to go ahead and get them. They look awesome. Oh, Menzel mod right here. This is the Ant-Man building. You can shoot it in that hole right there. That's a mystery award. And the ball will kick it back out onto that wire form. There is a red LED, as you can see, inside the building. And that plugs in underneath the playfield. Very cool mod. And there's felt on the side so it doesn't scratch your decals. So that's pretty cool. I'm talking about decals. The side art blades I got from Little Shop of Games as well. I think it makes the pinball machine look cooler, more premium. It is a premium. My son had these Disney Infinity characters from his PlayStation 4 game laying around for like 5 years. And so we used double-sided tape and mounted them across the playfield. So this, of course, is the Black Panther shot. So we mounted Disney Infinity Black Panther right there. And then we got Thor. We mounted him at the Thor shot. That's the Newton ball shot. And then I got from pinside.com and Marketplace. This is the Captain Marvel decal. Very nice, high quality. You know, it's a little bit too big, I know. It overlaps a little bit on that plastic, but the decal is actually quite thick and durable, so I don't mind. And that is, of course, the Captain Marvel ramp inverted shot. And I have the mod fix for it. So pinside.com sells also the Captain Marvel ramp fix. So if you get a lot of ball rejects, install that support 3D printed bracket right there. You see the blue one with the star on it. So right here, this comes with the pinball machine, the gauntlet. It lights up when Thanos steals a gem from you, and then his light will turn off on the gauntlet glove when you steal a gem from him or win a gem. Now, even though the Avengers Infinity Quest Pro version does not have the gauntlet glove, someone created a gauntlet mod on Pinside. Check it out. Now, right here, this is Black Widow. This is a Black Widow shot. Oh, and this is the gauntlet ramp. The gauntlet ramp is wide. See that? It's a wide shot. You can actually hit it from all three flippers. That flipper right there. And of course, these two flippers. Now, behind this plastic, once you remove those two screws, there's an LED strip that is lined up with his eyes that makes Thanos' eyes glow, which is really cool. Got that on Pinside. And that plugs into the existing bulb behind the plastics. Right here is the center shot, is that Black Widow shot, and that's where we mounted Black Widow. We had to glue her fist down because she was too tall. Right here, we have, of course, Captain America. This is the Captain America pop bumpers. And then the Sanctum. It's really, you see a glare right here. So right here is the Menzel mod Sanctum, 3D printed Sanctum. And it shows you the extra ball, and it lights up, add a ball during multi-ball, and spot Iron Man shot. And then right here is Doctor Strange disc. And then if you shoot it and spell out Strange, you open up the portal, shoot the ball in the hole to start gem battle mode. And then right here is the Avengers Tower, and there's Iron Man behind it, because that's how you start Iron Man multi-ball, by shooting 3 times up the tower. And there's a magnet up there that keeps the ball up there, which is kind of cool. And this is a 3D printed mod from Menzel Mod. Pretty high quality. Lights up too as well. Very cool. And that, of course, plugs in underneath the Playfield. See, it lights up really cool. And then Hulk, we had to use a heat gun and rip him in half because it was too big. You know, you have to install Hulk, but there's no spot to put him. So we squeezed him in there somehow and used double-sided tape. So yeah, so we finally got Hulk in there, but it's hard to see him sometimes. So what we might do later on is connect some wires from that lamp. See that arrows? So the arrows light up, letting you know, hey, you have to shoot that shot and proceed through the modes. And so we might connect the wire to that light right there and then shine them on the heroes, the characters. And so right here, you have to collect all 6 Avengers. And then once you do that, you battle for Soul Gem right there. And then whether you win or lose Soul Gem, then it resets, and then you have to collect all Avengers again. And then you get Blackwater multi-ball. And then it'll reset again. And then once you collect all Avengers for the 3rd time, you battle Black Order, and you have to defeat the Black Order. And then if you battle for all, was it 5 or 6? Yeah, 6 gems. Once you battle all 6 gem quest modes, then finally you get to battle Thanos, which is really cool. But between Soul Gem and Black Order, Thanos is gonna try to steal your gem. So if you shoot the disc and you spin it and you spell it Strange, and it opens up the portal, and you did all, you got the Soul Gem already, and you shoot it in the hole, he's gonna try to steal the Soul Gem, and he's gonna battle you. So you got to defend your gems. And if you can't, then he'll steal the gem. And if you successfully defend all the gems, then you get to steal a gem from him, from that glove. So this is a functional button for launching the ball and selecting what gem you want to battle for, and the powers for the gem. So that's another thing that they added throughout the years that you don't see on older pinball machines from the 90s. Right here is the shaker, and that plugs into this node board right here. See that orange plug? I believe that's the shaker motor. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. And then the plug next to it is for the shooting rod. And then there's a ground wire. See that black wire? That plugs in on the upper left. That's for the ground for the shooting rod. And that plugs in right there. See that little connection right there? That's for the shooting rod. And yeah, the shaker is actually really powerful. So this is underneath the playfield. Oh, and since we're under the playfield, I will show you, we upgraded the coils. After playing an Avengers and then playing Godzilla Pro, I could tell you the Godzilla Pro shoots a lot better. So we decided to check and see what kind of coils the Godzilla Pro was using, and these are it. So we decided to upgrade to these coils and got rid of the old coils. But we did have to snip the diodes on the coils to get it to work. See that or not? But let me go ahead and turn the light on. See that Cat 5 cable that's connected? I think it's the green one. And you can see it goes through the board right there. That is for the QR reader. So now you can scan this code, create an account, and then once you create an account, then you're signed up for Insider Connect, and you can upload your high scores online and connect with friends and unlock achievements just like a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 or Xbox would have, which is really cool. So you use your personal QR code and scan your code there, and it signs you in, and you have your gamer profile on the screen. Very cool. And once again, where did I get this at? I got this at a little shop of games once again. For the QR reader, Insider Connect, that is a connection for the Wi-Fi dongle. So now my pinball machine, or this is my son's pinball machine, it is now connected online. You get online updates too as well. And then we got glow-in-the-dark flipper rubbers. I believe we got that from Comet Pinball. No, Marcos, I'm sorry. Comet Pinball does a lot of, LED mods and lighting kits, but the rubbers we got from Marcos Pinball. There's a really cool feature in Stern pinball machines that you can get rid of that reflection right there on the glass from the back box. And to do that, you have to enter the service menu by hitting this button twice, the black button, and then go up and down using the red buttons in the middle. And then the left button is for back. So let's go ahead and go into the settings and go to adjustments, standard adjustments, and what is it? Oh, this one right here. Standard adjustment 92. You can adjust the LCD brightness too. So I have that on 5, and the gameplay back box brightness to 10. So that's pretty low. Back, and let's go ahead and test it out. So you can see how it's bright right now. So when you hit the start button, watch it go away.
Leave now, and I will spare you.
See how it disappeared? A smart design.
So there's a little secret way to reset it. You hold down the left flipper button and hold down start, and now we'll reset the game. There you go. And that has to be activated in settings. You hold down both flippers. And what does that do, Devin?
It pulls up, open a secret menu that you can choose these different types of game modes.
Alright, go ahead. Show us one of the game modes. Battle Royale Challenge. Alright, go ahead. So what's that about, Devin?
So you basically start off fighting Black Order and you just have to beat it.
So you skip over the other modes and you go right into Black Order battle mode. Alright. So this is kind of like a video game where you have your heroes. Right now he's Hulk versus Corvus Clave. And they both have health meters right there. And he has to shoot all the green shots. Shooting the green shots lowers Corvus Clave's health by around 20%, I believe, or 15%. Looks like he already defeated one character. And he's making some good shots right there. This is a very difficult pin, but practice makes perfect and you get better at it. Now there's different power-ups you can get to help you defeat the Black Order. He has unlimited ball drains, but every time he drains the ball, he loses health. So it looks like he's gonna defeat Proxima Midnight, and she is the second out of 5. Oh, it looks like he's on his 3rd enemy, Super Giant. This is, you have to of course update your pinball machine to get this challenge mode unlocked. He's on his last enemy, and all the shots relight. He got a power up right there. Looks like it's an Avengers tower. Wow, he nailed that sucker. And look how much damage he did. Looks like he needs maybe 2 more hits. Oh, 1 more hit. Looks like maybe 1 or 2 more hits. Let's see if he could do it. Side shot. Ooh, that was a huge drain. When he drains, he takes a lot of damage. He needs a Hulk shot or sling ring. Oh, 1 more hit and he wins. Oh wait, he won! Good job. Fantastic. So he used 257 flips. It took him 431 seconds. He had 1 Avenger left. And his score is 102 million. Very good score.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. And